نائب وزیر اعظم اسحاق ڈار نے کہا کہ تنازع کشمیر کا حل عوام کی امنگوں کے مطابق ہونا چاہیے۔ برسلز میں یورپی یونین وزارتی فورم سے خطاب میں انہوں نے باور کروایا کہ مسئلہ کشمیر حل کیے بغیر جنوبی ایشیا میں پائیدار امن ممکن نہیں۔
Our region recently saw deliberate acts of aggression, risking peace and security. We appreciate the constructive role played by our global partners, including Excellency High Representative, in this regard. Despite our desire for peace, calculated and premeditated attempts by some in our region seek to escalate tensions. The pattern involves accusations and inflammatory rhetoric, inciting war hysteria, and then using it as a pretext for aggression and unilateral actions. The illegal and unilateral step to hold the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance is a real threat to regional stability. It must be reversed forthwith. Water must be a source of cooperation and not weaponized for politics. We believe that durable peace in South Asia cannot be achieved without a peaceful resolution of decades-old Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with relevant UN Security Council resolutions and aspirations of Kashmiri people.